Hello and welcome to softexpert. In one of my previous videos I showed you how to copy WooCommerce products from one store to another, but today we are taking it a step further, where I will show you how to import or migrate WooCommerce products along with their custom fields from one site to another. This isn't a standard export and import process. We are dealing with advanced custom fields linked directly to your WooCommerce products. So let's get started. Here I have named this website as source site, and here we have 5 different products, and if I edit any of these, you can see that the product has a title, description, a featured image, and a price and some product fields. These are advanced custom fields. I have added some fields like origin, type, and a video, but obviously you can have your own custom fields in products. And if I go to ACF, the advanced custom field plugin, here we have a field group called product fields, inside which we have those 3 fields. So let's see how we can migrate these fields and these products to another store. So this is the source site, and this is another one which is destination site. And here if I go to products, we don't have any products here. And also if I go to ACF, we don't have any field group or custom fields. So let's export all these products along with custom fields from this source site to that destination website. So to get started, first we will have to deal with the custom fields. I'll go to ACF field here, where we have the product fields. I'll first export them from this website. So we'll go to tools, and under export I'll select product fields and export as JSON, which will download a JSON file for us. Now let's import this file on the destination website. So on the destination website under ACF, I'll go to tools and we'll import that file here. So I'll click choose file. We'll select the ACF field, open it and import JSON, and product fields imported. And if I click here, we just imported all the fields here. Now let's go back to the source website where we just completed the ACF field export. And now it's time to export the products. If I go to products here, and if I export the products from here, by using this export option we can only export the products even though we enable the custom meta. So to fix this and to export the custom fields as well, we will use another plugin. So let's go to plugins, add a plugin, and here we will search for Ultimate CSV. And this is the plugin that we will be using, WP Ultimate CSV Importer. This is from Smack Coders. Just install and activate this plugin. I already have done that. As you can see, that's menu over here. So just click on it. And for the first time, it will show you this screen where you can enable any of these add-ons. If you want to import user, you can use this add-on. This is for WooCommerce and this is to export WordPress data. Now as this is our source website and we are going to export products, so we will have to enable this one, export WordPress data, where we have WooCommerce products as well. So let's install and activate this one. Once activated, you can click here again, and instead of import you can go to export here, where we have couple of options like to export posts, pages, custom posts, post tags and all. And in the pro version you can also export images. As we are dealing with WooCommerce products, so I'll choose WooCommerce products. You can see 5 WooCommerce found. Let's continue. Here we can choose the file type, so CSV, XLS and all these. CSV is fine here, and these are some options available in the pro version. If you want to export data for a specific period or processing iteration, you can enable these options, but these are not necessary. So let's scroll down and click export. Please type export file name. Okay, we have to type in a name for it, so I'll just give it a unique name, products. Export, and you can see successfully completed. Let's download it, which will give us a CSV file, products. If I open it, you can see we have the post title, the ID, post content, and you can also notice the custom fields here, the origin, type and the video. So these 3 are the custom fields and the rest are from WooCommerce itself. So in this way we can export products along with the custom fields. Now let's try importing them on our destination website. Now I'm on the destination site where we have imported our custom fields already. Let's install that same plugin over here and let's try importing those products as well. So I'll go to plugins, add plugin, we'll search for Ultimate CSV, and let's install and activate this plugin over here. And again it will open up that same screen where you can choose any of these options. Now on this website we are going to import products, so we will deal with this one, import WooCommerce. Let's install and activate it. Once activated, back to our plugin, which will open up the plugin dashboard. Now we are under import, where we have two modes, simple mode where we can just upload a file, and under advanced we can upload a file from computer or from an FTP server from a URL, or we can choose a file server in the pro version. As we already have our CSV file, so let's upload it over here. I'll choose the products CSV, we'll open it, uploading, and we can choose fresh import here, and it already detected that these are WooCommerce products. If not, you can choose this option over here, okay? Then continue. Now again we have two modes here, advanced mode and drag and drop mode. Under advanced you can see that we can map the fields manually by clicking and choosing the field. Now as we have used this same plugin on our source website, that is why it auto fetch and map the field correctly, like the post title, the ID, the content, the excerpt, the date and all. And under drag and drop mode, we can click a field and map it from the CSV. Now in the CSV we have all these fields, so we can drag it like this, and then for the ID we can drag this ID here, and we can map these fields like this. Now as in the advanced mode, it already have fetched the data correctly, so let's use the advanced mode here. And beside these fields, let's also check our advanced custom fields. So under ACF fields, you can see that it already have mapped the fields correctly, like origin, type and video. If not, just click here and select the correct field here, okay? And further, for the advanced settings, you can click on actions and you can make it static, formula or custom. But these are not required, so let's close it. And all of these fields must be filled correctly, but just to verify, you can open up any of these and you can review them. Now for this testing size, I don't have much fields, but if you have multiple fields, it will auto fetch them over here, okay? For example, the weight, length, width, height and all. Let's scroll down and we have some other fields like terms and taxonomies, product attributes and so on. Once you are satisfied, just scroll down and click continue. It will take you to this page, and then you can manage the media uploads. So you can use the media images if already available in the CSV, okay? We already have some images in that. And in the pro version, you can also override the available images and always create as new image. And let's also enable this option so that we save the images to our media library on this website as well. Then we have some more options if you want to switch on maintenance mode while import. This is mandatory if you are doing it on a live website, okay? Or if you want to handle the duplicate on existing records. So if you already have some products, you can enable these options to avoid duplication. And if you want to enable adaptive file processing for record. These are not necessary this time because this is just a testing website and we know that we don't have any products here. So let's click start import. And import started. This will take a second. And import completed. Now we can check the summary here, but this will also be a CSV file like this. If I open it, you can see it over here. But this is not required. Let's leave it and let's close this. And we have imported these products. Now let's verify. So I'll go to products. And we have got the same products along with the images, the titles, the category, prices. And if I open up any of them, just to verify the custom fields. So we have the title, description and the product fields as well. So origin, type and video. And that's it. Also if I go to media library, we have got the product images here that we can manage in case we need. So this was how you can easily export products along with custom fields and then import them on another store. And I hope you will find this video helpful and follow me for more such videos. Still, if you have any questions related to this video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.